Alma of the Airwaves, Lucky of the orange couch. In the distance, my black spruce in autumn. Still not done. But it is March 3rd. It's a big holiday in Bulgaria because it's Liberation Day. We're celebrating this as our national holiday. Yes, this is the liberation from of the Bulgarian state from the Ottoman Empire in 1878. Project of the day. Okay, totally ignore this blush here, Frida. I wanted to make a portrait of her for so long, and I started it. I'm gonna improve that immensely. So that's my project of the day. I worked in the morning, actually at the whole day in a beautiful hospital in Oakville, all day. Same problem. When I buy 2 pairs, I cannot decide which ones. Both turtles, silver, gold. Yeah. Okay, it's been a wonderful day. The video is short, and we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is already Thursday.